I hope all are fine. Be safe, please. Today we are going with the topic dengue fever. On the previous classes, we discussed regarding dengue fever till the diagnostic evaluations. Today we are going with the complications, preventions, management, and all. Before going further, you remember in your mind when the female Aedes aegypti mosquitoes will bite, it will bite only during daytime. It will bite only during daytime. Then coming with the complications, seizures, shock, residual brain damage, liver damage, and encephalopathy. Seizures, shock, residual brain damage, liver damage, and encephalopathy. Then coming with the management, there is no antiviral therapy, there is no vaccine. There you have to do it with the you have to manage it with the symptomatic management. If you are suffering with DHF, dengue hemorrhagic fever, you have to take the proper balance of fluid intake, or you have to do it with the fluid replacement therapy. If you're suffering from any other dengue fever also, you have to manage the fluid intake. Then coming with the control, before going to the control, you have to remember the home care. In the home care, avoid uses of NSAIDs and antibiotics. First of all, you have to remember in your mind NSAIDs in the sense non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, and you have to take adequate rest. If you're sleeping, you have to sleep under mosquito net if you're sleeping during daytime. Then adequate fluid intake, you can take milk, barley water, plain water and all, and you have to take PCT and tuppet pinching. Then look it for the mosquito breeding areas and you have to eliminate it. These are the home care you have to follow if you are suffering with dengue fever. Then coming with the preventions, first 3 steps you have to remember in your mind, that is stop all what you are doing. Then look it for the mosquito breeding areas and you have to eliminate it. Listen to the government authorities. Stops all what you are doing. Listen to the government authorities. Look it for the mosquito breeding areas and you have to eliminate it. And other preventions included recognition, case finding, then reporting, isolation, epidemiological diagnosis, and health education. Other 6 includes case finding, recognition, isolation, reporting, epidemiological diagnosis, and health educations. Coming with the control, in the control you have to wash any of the small containers which carries water. You have to wash it at least once in a week. Then avoid the keeping of or hanging all the clothes inside the room. Avoid hanging all the clothes inside the room. Then you can use it for the spraying of insecticides. Insecticides are the agent which have the capacity to kill the insects. Insecticides are the agent which have the capacity to kill the insects. Then coming with the 4S of dengue campaign. 4S of dengue campaign includes search and destroy, seek early treatment, say no to indiscriminate use of fogging. Then it also included self-protection. Self-protection, say no to indiscriminate use of fogging, seek early treatment, search and destroy. Once again I will repeat: self-protection, search and destroy, say no to indiscriminate use of fogging, and seek early treatment. And do's and don'ts. Do's includes you have to wash the containers at least once in a week and search it for the mosquito breeding areas and you have to eliminate it. And don'ts includes you should not wear any of the clothes which will expose your body parts like arms and legs and all. These are nothing but the do's and don'ts. Then coming with here we are going to stop the dengue fever topic, and I have one question to you, that is, are you feeling dengue fever is a panic? Are you feeling dengue fever is a panic? Please comment it. Is dengue fever is a panic? I hope you people understood. If you understood, please click the like button and subscribe, and please press the bell icon also. If you not understood, you can comment and you can press it for the dislike button. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for you are listening to my class. Thank you all. Then thank you for your valuable support and all. Then be safe, please. Please be safe. Thank you. Let's jump.